Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 3 of this luxury apartment. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were concentrated on this area. Now we're gonna continue working on this and we're gonna add some fixtures. So now, what we could do is we could add in some doors so that you guys can visualize what we're trying to do here. And then you could see the rooms that we're trying to add. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on door. This is a preset already door that is default in Revit. So what we have here is this single flush door. um, I'm looking at this 813 by 2134, and that will be perfect for this. So for the entrance door, I'm going to add it right about here. And then space bar. And let's add this door right here. And then after that, let's add a door right here into the masters. And then here, we could add in a smaller door. So what we could do is, let's add it the 762 door. So this door, so we could fix this by just doing that, lodging it in place. And then what we could do is we could just move this one backwards like that so that everything will fit perfectly. So we have two kinds of door now. CS, this door will be opening for this area. And what we could do is we could just add the same door as the 762. A smaller door right about here. And then a door right here. So I think it will be wiser for us to just use the 762 so that it is uniform on all. So what you do is select the doors that you put in as 813 and then click on drop down and then click on the 762. And now everything will be 762 now. So that's easy to do like that. Easy to change as well. So now what we could do is we could add in some walls again. So for this wall, it will be for the washroom or the ensuite. So click on the interior wall, CS, and then let's add that wall right here. Press escape multiple times, zoom in, and here the purpose of that is to have our dimension right here, the temporary dimension, and then let's type in 1521 like that. So we will have an opening here and then an opening right here as well. So click on the wall again, CS, and let's add in a wall. And that wall, we just need to add it like this, not too much, maybe on the grid line like that. And that for that dimension, I want you to put 10, 20. So we have a dimension right here as well and a wall. So now another, so CS, add it here onto this wall like so. Click here and this one will be 1265. So this will be the closet on this side for the entrance. And then this will be a shower, walk-in closet, vanity, like a dresser, and then the toilet right here. So now what we could do is we could add in the closet door. So we need to go to insert, load family, and go into doors. Let's go to residential, and then here let's look for the sliding double sliding 2-panel wood. Press open, and then for me I like to add all of them, so I select the top and then hold on shift, select the bottom to highlight everything, and then press OK. Now that we have that, we can go back to architecture and click on door. It will go straightly to the type of door that we added recently. Here we can add the sliding door to the location of our um, closet. So here I'm gonna add one, right? So the sizing is perfect for this. Let's add in a sliding door right here. It's also perfect for this area, and then this one as well. But here what you can see is it's over. So right now I'm just gonna click it and add it there. It will give me a conflict that the adjoining wall is interfering, and it's basically over the capacity. So now I'm going to select this, edit type. I'm going to duplicate this and then change this to, so the name, it depends on you. For me, I'm just going to maintain the name but change it to the width that I want to. So this is the width and this is the height. Here, I'm going to put this one to 1000. Press OK and make sure to change this one as well. So now this is 1000 as well. It will change the width of the double panel sliding door. So now it will fit like that. And if you see, you added the different variations of sizes here as well. So that's easy it is to edit um, the walls or a type of Revit family. Here, let's go to insert again and then load in the pocket door. So I think this is the pocket door wood. Click open. Again, select everything by clicking there at the top and then holding shift and clicking on the bottom. Press OK, and yes, you want to continue, yes. It's just saying that you selected so many. Do you really want to do that? And then obviously we need to add that. Here I'm adding the pocket door, and as you can see, again, it's too big for the area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to edit the pocket door and then duplicate that, and I just want 1000. So I'm gonna change the name to 1000 so that everything is uniform, and then 1000 again. Press OK, and as you can see, we have 1000 like that. And then now I can select that CS and then add it here as well. Now we have pocket doors on this side and this side as well. And we'll be able to use the walls right here without interfering with the pocket doors. Because the pocket door is the one that goes inside the wall. So now I'm just checking if we did everything correctly. And then now, um, let's go to annotate. We need to add detailed information or just a detail on the detailed line for the storage or the closet. So go to annotate, click on detailed line, and then here instead of thin lines, what I have at the moment is demolish, which is a broken line, and then here we could just add a demolish line like so, and then again another one. Here as well, let's add a demolish line, and then here as well. I know it's over, so let's just pull it back like so, and then here as well. CS, let's add it here as well. And it depends on you how far you want to put it, but at least just adding that will give the sense of there's rod there, there's shelving there, those kind of stuff. We're going to add detail here as well for the closet or the walk-in closet. Let's add in one dash line or demolish line like so. And then in the front, we're going to add another detail line, which is a thin line. And then here, CS again. And then let's add one line like that. So that looks nice. We can add a line like here representing a work surface. And then we could just add a chair later on. Here, we could add in the shower, the vanity, and the toilet as well. So let's go back to insert, load family, and go back to the main. Here, let's go to plumbing, architecture, fixtures, and let's add in the water closet first and then the toilet to the domestic. Press open, and then here I like loading it individually because of the reason that it's easier for me to type in CM and then adding it instantly like that. Because if you keep on loading all of them at once, the chances here is you need to go to architecture, click on the component, place the component, and then look for it. So it will be a lot harder for you to keep on looking for it instead of just typing CM. And as you can see, once you have loaded a lot or inserted a lot of families, this will be very hard to look. You can use search, but Do you know the name of the, as you can see, we have M underscore toilet. So you need to put the M first so that it will search there. If if you type in toilet, it's probably gonna appear, but you never know. So at least by just loading it uh, one once at a time, it will be easier for you to see or to load it here. Now, what I see is I see the toilet domestic 2D. It's showing that it's very big on the area, and I know that this one is too big. So what you can do is you can select it and then edit the family. What you need to do now is select all of them like so. So what I do here is select this one or select the scale first, then select all of them. And then right click. I think that's how I do it. Yeah, so the way that I do it is I click on scale first, select all of this, and then click on spacebar. It will then go to the mode of scaling it. So what you do is you select here and then the overall and then just pull it back afterwards. It will scale on everything like that. So I'm just gonna scale it a bit off that, around 600. That will be perfect. And then here, you just need to load it to the project. Do you want to save it to the M toilet? I don't want to save it because I want the original. So it will still change on level 1, but I just don't want to change it to the file. Now here, you just need to click on override existing version and its parameter. Now it will change like that. If you hover, it will it will show the silhouette, but it's only for once you're hovering on that space. Now it's perfect for the size. And then now we just need to go back to insert again, load family, or we could just go back, select here, CS, so that we could just add the same one onto this spot. I think that's better. Here, go to insert again, go back, and then let's add in the shower. Let's add this one, click open, and then type in CM. Here we could change. So the way we change it is, let's check the dimension from the wall. So here I click on spacebar to select that wall, and spacebar here to select that wall. That's 1165. Click on this wall up to this wall. 853. Now select here, edit type. You can duplicate this so that you don't change the default. So we could do that. I'll just put this one as number 2. And then now we could just do 1165 and then 853. It doesn't matter which one because you could just rotate it afterwards. So now press escape, click on this and then rotate. So RO or this icon under modify. RO Let's rotate, and then let's just rotate it right here. You can type in 90 degrees. So that's perfect. And then select it again, and then move. MV is for the move. We could select it right here and then connect it right there. Now it's perfect for this area. We could now then delete the dimensions that we created, and now this is imperfect for this. Let's click on load family again, go back here. Let's look for the sink and then look for a vanity. Let's add in the round, or the square is much better. You can scale this one if it's too big. So click on open, and then similar CM. And as you can see, it's too big for the area. So what we could do is we could just add this one first. Press escape multiple times. Select this, edit type, go to the reference level, and then you can go to modify, select scale, select this one, and then spacebar, go to the each end of this, and then basically make it small. So around 300. Let me figure this out. Okay. So section, select, spacebar, this portion, and then this portion, around 300. And then I just deleted that. Load it again. I will say no, and then override existing version. Now it's smaller and perfect for the area. Select that, CS, rotate it using spacebar. So now we could add in two of them, like so. And then we could add in the detailed lines. So CS, and then add the detail lines like so. And then add it here as well. Okay, so we added it, and then we could just move it onto the center of the space. That's perfect. And then let's go back here, load family, and then go back again. And then now we could add in the bathtub. We could just add in 2D. And then here, once we load it, CM, load it like that. As you can see, it's too big. Let's go and check the dimension. Spacebar, 1381. Select this one, edit type. You could duplicate this, number 2, and then you could just add in 1381. And then for the how big it is, let's just minus that 740 will be good enough. Now we could just, I'm just pressing the space bar so that it rotates, or you could just click on the flip. So you could flip it and then click on that again and then click on move to move it onto the corner for a perfect width, and then just select moving everything like that. Now we can delete this and it looks perfect now. Lastly, let's load in the washer and dryer. So let's go back here and go to specialty equipment. It will be under the domestic and then mid-range, and then let's load in the dryer and washer combo. After that, CM, and then let's just add it right here. Select here. I don't want the label to be shown, so you can click on edit and check the show label, apply, and then OK. Here what we could do is we could add in something for the closet right here, or just a regular line, and then select here another line like that. So I'm using CS so that I could easily add different lines right here, and that's for organization for that. So in the next video, we're gonna continue working on kitchen. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.